my game. This style wasn't going anywhere. It was kaput. Don't you see what I've done with this place?
So I've been noticing a bit of oil dribbling out of the sump of the ae86. So I went and parked for a little bit, and there's normally about this little puddle of oil. So I had started investigating, and I thought it was the oil drain here from the turbo leaking, as there was just oil all over the sump. But it turns out it was actually a crack in the sump itself, so underneath the fitting that's been welded in, I never welded that in, there was actually a crack. So for some reason it's got a whole lot of strain, or it's been dropped, or I don't know what's happened there, but it cracked through. So the other day I took to it and zapped it up, but as you can see it's still dribbling oil out. So what it looks to be is actually further around each side there's still oil sort of seeping out. So the weld must be, because they're actually an internally welded thing, so you whack a hole and you get tigged welded inside. So I'm too lazy to go and take the whole sump off, so I'm going to actually zap it more all the way around. I'll try to get all the way around anyway. Hopefully that fixes it. But yeah, a little bit annoying. Might try to tidy that up a bit. See if I can maybe sand it back. See if it's actually still actually welded in the right spot. Yeah, a little bit annoying. Yeah, that's what you get with old parts. Yeah, I didn't know the condition of the sump came with the car, so when you visually inspect it looks all fine, but it could be old as, or could have been knocked around and then been driven for a bit, gone and just cracked, or already had a fracture there, I'm not sure. But yeah, try to fix that. Hopefully that'll then stop all the dribbling of oil everywhere.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden road, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger.
It's never fun. Sparks in the air. I don't hope that's got it all. Not the prettiest, but very good job. So just like that, got it all zapped up. Coat a black paint over it just to stop it from rusting or whatever. Makes it easy also to actually see if there's any oil that drains out. But I don't know, it's a bit of an odd one. It's almost like the steel is actually sort of fading away because it's quite, there's almost like porousy holes in the steel on that side, so it must, if it keeps leaking I'm just going to rip it off and time for a new sump. Bit of a weird one. Yeah, other than that, I'm good to go.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. So strong.